Hi friends, welcome to the beautiful island of Negril, and let's just do a 5-minute stretch and reflect. So I'm gonna get stretched. I did a morning run this morning, and we also have a long ride to when we go do the race. So let's just reflect. I'll do a couple lunges and a couple hip openers. So here we are, maybe rocking our hips side to side and thinking about the day. So what's really cool is that it's a full moon. And when we think about the full moon, we think about releasing, and that there's things that we're carrying that maybe we want to release. The things that are heavy, that may make our body feel very, very stiff, and that we want to let go and release. And so in saying that, this flow will be a way of me releasing. So what is it that you need to release today? What is something that has been heavy on your mind or your heart? Maybe a little dysregulatory to your nervous system. Maybe it's a person. Maybe it's something that you are watching too much. Maybe it's a vice. What is it for you? Allow yourself to release and let go. For me, I know that there are things that I need to release in order for me to go into this next identity. And my next identity will be a beautiful traveling wellness icon. Traveling all over the world, allowing myself to heal other people's minds and bodies by introducing them to their best self. And I think that's something that I love to do, because if I can contribute to the collective healing of the world, then I am all good. And I want to make sure that people know that they can do it, that it's possible. One of my superpowers is that I've had 2 ACL surgeries, and that has been an amazing journey of healing and of allowing myself to have moments of rest and pause, so that it can be able to do exactly what it's made to do, which is heal. Your body is made to heal, friends. So why not allow it to do what it naturally does? What an honor and a blessing it is that something already has enough willpower to do a practice that, if we just get enough rest and intention, it will heal. Now, friends, imagine if we actually put in more power into healing our bodies. Then imagine how much more it would heal. I'm just so honored to be able to teach these practices to y'all. Now let's see if I can get into my split. As well. So the big question for you is, what are you releasing? What have you possibly been holding on to too long, and you just want to let it go? Maybe it's not serving you. My hips are not as open this morning, but I'm gonna be gentle with them. Speaking of releasing, hip opening is a deep release. That is like the #1 release, and I have so many videos. Oh, this left side is super spicy. My feeling side. Let's see. See, it's much, much more different. I'm pretty sure if I really tried, I could. I'm gonna give myself some grace. You doing okay? You feel like a good release, a good little stretch, a good moment to just be at ease. Be gentle with yourself as you're releasing. It's not always easy. It's not always easy. And the most beautiful thing here is that I'm here to support you. So we are at our 5 minutes. You can continue stretching. I'm gonna go pause and get ready for my next endeavor. I'm running a race this weekend, the Reggae 10K. And so thank you for stretching with me so that I can get the energy moving through my body. Thank you for talking about releasing, because we are building ourselves into the next level. And it's gonna be beautiful. Every level of ourself is preparing us for the next level. So be well with your choices and your habits, because it determines your life. All right, friends, adios from Negril, Jamaica. Have a beautiful day on purpose. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, let me know what you like. There's so much more for you. I'll be doing more stretch and reflects, just giving you a moment to be curious with your body and enjoy stretching your body and moving energy through. All right, I'll talk to you later.